Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am really excited because we have an unboxing, and look what I've got here. It is the HD Brows collection and it is from Latest in Beauty, and you all know how much I absolutely adore Latest in Beauty, but guess what? They've sent it to me to review for you guys, so I am so thrilled. I never ever thought that I would get anything sent to me by Latest in Beauty, so thank you so much, Latest in Beauty. I'm honestly doing a happy dance and over the moon. So yeah, let's get into this. So Latest in Beauty, you will normally see my unboxings for their build your own boxes, but they also do collection boxes, and I've just recently unboxed my spring edit, which you can have a little look at, but this one is their HD Brows. So HD Brows, so it's like high definition beauty, and then brows are just a little component of what they do. So I'm going to unbox this for you and show you all the lovely things inside. This is on sale on Latest in Beauty website for £30. I will pop a link down below, and I'll also do a pinned comment, so if it's something that you fancy getting, then you can pop on over and bob it in your basket and purchase it. So here we go. So it's got a little sleeve, which a lot of their collections do, and I love this. It's just the old style lovely black Latest in Beauty boxes. Right then, so this is, oh, here there, this is the box, and let's get inside. So just take the lid off, and where shall I pop it? And this is it inside here. So you get your leaflet, and also you've got your box with the tissue paper and the Latest in Beauty logo. So it tells you a little bit here. So HD Brows High Definition Beauty, the Latest in Beauty edition, the solution to all brow dilemmas. Our exclusive HD Brows box brings you the most universally innovative and on-trend brow treatments and complementary makeup products worth over £110. See the Latest in Beauty exclusives offer on the back. And it's at HD Brows Official for their right. Ooh, I've got a code. We'll put it on at the end. So yes, here we go. Let's get into this. I'm really excited. I just haven't seen this about on YouTube at all, so I'm so happy to have this to unbox. As you know, I'm a bit of a brow virgin. I don't really do much, so I might do a video using these products. Ooh. Oh, looks very sleek. Look at that. How lovely. So everything's all nice and black and gorgeous. So I'm going to just start dipping in, and we shall see what we have. So the first thing that's on the top is a brush. Let's get it out. And it says here, so it is an angled eye shading brush. I love getting brushes. And it's in a really nice little plastic pouch. Let's get that open. Oh, I can already tell it feels beautiful and soft. And by the way, all these opinions are going to be my own. You know, you can trust my honest opinion and feedback. So, oh, this is so nice. So it's got the high definition logo on the brush handle, and there is the brush head. And it's really soft. It's not too fluffy, if that makes sense. It's still quite dense, but it has got some movement in it. So what does it say about this? So the angled eye shading brush. So it says featuring soft, smooth, natural fibres and a full angled design. This brush is a staple for easier eyeshadow blending. So yeah, that is a really lovely brush, and it looks so nice, and it feels just really nice to hold. So I am happy with that one. Bob that there. And then the next thing we've got is, oh, this feels heavy. Oh, I'm going to save this till the, no, I'll do it now. I was going to save this till the end, but look at this. So it is high definition lip gloss. I just love this packaging. It looks really, really classy and lovely. So this is 7 mils. Oh, it's in the shade Buff. So that sounds nice. Oh, that is looking lovely. I'm going to try this on. Let me read it to you first. So it says, deliver a natural wet shine to lips with this HD lip gloss enriched with vitamin E to keep lips moisturised and visibly plumped. This looks lovely. I was literally, honestly, because I'd had a code to give me £10 off this box. That was a couple of weeks ago. And I was literally about to order it. And then I'd had a message to say that they were going to send me this. So I'm like so happy. Because one of the main reasons was because of this gloss. Because it looks so nice. I'm trying to see if it smells of anything. Maybe slight vanilla. Very, very mild. I can't see. I'm not very good at using the viewfinder. Oh, it feels lovely and it doesn't feel sticky. No, I'm putting loads on. Oh, that's nice. I love just like nudie shades and things. So yeah. Oh, it feels really, really creamy. Not tacky. I don't feel like my hair will get stuck in my face on a windy day. So yes, that is lovely. Next thing we have is, so this is HD Brows Eye Define. So I'm imagining this is going to be a pencil. So now, we've got a couple of these by the looks of it. What shade is this? So it is, oh, Intense Black. So eye pencil, here we go. Let's get this out. Also, the packaging on the inside is, look, it's black and white stripes. I really like it. So we've got here, yes, so there we are there, a little pencil. And it says, so this versatile eye pencil allows you to create a variety of eyeliner styles, from neat and precise to blended and smudged, with a soft, creamy texture that allows for easy application. This won't budge. Trust us. I love a good black pencil. This is the nib. It looks really, really creamy. I'm going to try and do it onto this hand. Obviously, you know, I've got my wrist problem, but I've got this one free. Let's have a look. Ooh, that is so, you can see here, it is so creamy. Look at that. I'm just going to put the lid on, see about smudging it a little bit. It is already staining, but you can see that you can just smudge it a bit if you want. But I imagine once that dries down, it is going to be set. But it is so black. I mean, it is like really black, and it's a matte black as well. So if you like matte looking pencils, then this could be for you. I'll do my split screen so you can see all the prices and things like that for individual items. So next one again is Brow Define, and it is in the shade Foxy. Not sure what Foxy is. Is it a ready brown? Don't know, maybe. So again, just an, oh, so it's a different type of pencil. Look at this. Look at the lid. Ooh, what's, oh my god, that is so clever. So you've got your pencil here. It's so easy pleased. But look, if you take that lid off, you've got a pencil sharpener. Oh my gosh, that is so clever. That is so good. So does that sharpen it automatically? I need to work out how to use this now. Does it? Oh, the end just comes off, and then you've got your little pokey tool to clean out the sharpener. Oh, I'm loving that. That is so good. I bet you could put that onto any of your pencils and use that. I wonder, does it go with this other pencil? I'm not sure. Let me try it. This one feels a bit slimmer, but I'm curious. Yes, it fits on that one as well. That is great. So if you're traveling, you've got a pencil sharpener already attached, and it's not going to get mucky because it's got your little lid on. That's so good. Right, let me read what it says. Sorry, I'm just like, ooh, that's brilliant. But it really is clever. Right. So, the brow pencil everyone should own. This trusty all-rounder works to fill, define, blend and shape brows to perfection with its long-lasting and smudge-proof formula. The shade is universal depending on the strength of application. So that's really good because obviously I'm quite fair, but I suppose if you were darker, so you can build up the colour. So I really, really like that idea. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of getting the right shade. So it is here, you can see it's like it is a brown. Let's have a look and see if I can do it faint first. Actually, oh, it feels quite hard but soft. That means it's firm, so it's not really smudgy. You know, some you put on and it's so soft. It's soft in application but not in formula. I don't know if that makes sense. So you can see there, that would definitely suit me. And then I suppose you could just build it up to make it deeper. Oh gosh, you can. And then that's it there. So that is so clever. I just want to do it light next to it. So yes, I could definitely make this work for me. So I am very pleased. Oh, what a great little collection. Right then, so next thing we have is, this is a brow highlighter. So another pencil, is it? I'm assuming. Let's have a little look. Is there a shade for this? No, oh, nude, in 002 nude. Oh, and this one's got a pencil sharpener on it as well. So even once you've finished your pencils, you've still got your sharpener. That is so good. I'll be keeping these lids. So this is it here. Let me read you a little bit about it. So it says, this wonder product lifts, defines and enhances brows with a super creamy and blendable colour. The built-in sharpener makes it ideal for touch-ups on the go. I just love this design. It's so good. So yeah, you've got a really lovely sort of nudie coloured highlighter pencil. This one is much softer. You can see there, it looks almost like a concealer pencil. So this will definitely clean up your brows on your arch. I'm just trying to show you me applying it here. So if you can see there, it's not shimmery. It is definitely for clean up, so you can get a nice sharp brow. It smudges out really nicely, so you could probably pop that on, then use a brush maybe to taper it down. But yes, that is really lovely formula. Seems really nice. And then finally, look at this. Oh yes. So this is the eye and brow palette. I remember when HD brows first came out years ago, and everyone was just like going down to the salon to get them done. She couldn't do them at home, and you'd go there, get them done at the salon, they'd teach you, then you'd buy your powders to bring back and do your brows. So let's have a look at this. So I'm really, really excited to have my own palette. Look. Right, we put the box down. Ooh, so it's a really beautiful matte palette. It feels, you like those rubberized palettes, it feels a little bit like that. I'll read it first, then we'll show you. So it's the Eye and Brow palette, and it says, the ultimate kit for brow lovers. This palette in the shade Foxy features 2 highly pigmented brow shades and a highlighter to lift the brow arch. It comes complete with a dual-sided eye and brow brush. Let's have a look. Do you know, if my brows aren't looking amazing from now on, come and get me, because I should be having amazing brows. I need to get my fringe moved, I think. So, right, there is a beautiful big mirror, as you can see there. And let me just turn that around though, so you can see properly the products. So we have the brush, and then we have got your shades here. So we've got, what did it say? So we've got your highlighter, there's some wax. So what did it say? So it said 2 brow shades and a highlighter and some wax, but then there's also this other one as well. So we have got some really nice things here. Let me give you, so this is the highlighter. We've got a brow shade here, which is like a nice, is that a warm brown? Then we've got a cooler brown. And then we have this darker one as well. And you can use these. I would use these as eyeshadows. I don't care. So here we go. Let me just see if I can swatch them here on my arm. That might be easier. So you'll be able to build up a really nice brow look with those. And let's have a look at the little brush that we get. Oh. So we have, so one side we've got this really lovely fluffy brush. So that'd be really nice for getting in and into your crease and blending it all out. And then this side you've got your really sort of angled, sort of defined brush to do your brows with, and it is actually, it feels really firm, so you'll be able to get a really good application with that. So that is perfect. I mean, you can travel with this, you can get your eye look done and your brows done, and I just think that is so lovely. It is so nice. So let me just recap what we have got in this box. We have got, so there are 3 pencils. You've got the brow pencil in Foxy, you have a black eyeliner, and you also have the like the nudie coloured highlighter for your brow arch. We have a full-size angled brush. We have the absolutely gorgeous lip gloss, which I am wearing, as you saw me put on, and I can't even feel it. It feels so lovely. This is now in my bag forever. I am loving it. And of course, the incredible eye and brow palette. So there we go. Honestly, first impressions, I am absolutely delighted. And if you want good brows, I really think you probably need this in your kit. It covers everything that you need. And then plus you get your gloss. So what more does a girl need? So yeah, I'll bob links down below. Thank you so much to Latest in Beauty for sending this out to me. Honestly, I am thrilled with it. I'm really happy. And yeah, if you want to see me using any of the products or trying them out to give a more sort of a more informed review, please do let me know, and I can quite easily do that for you all. So yeah, head on over. Oh, there was a code, I've just remembered. Yes, so there's a code to use at hdbrows.com, and if you use the code you'll get £20 off. Right, so that is it all. Thank you so much to Latest in Beauty for sending me this box. It is absolutely fantastic. I am really honestly so thrilled, and I am delighted that you sent it to me, so thank you. I love it. If you want to get your own box, head on over to the website. I'll pop a link down below. If you want to see any of my other unboxings from Latest in Beauty, I have a playlist which I'll pop down below, and also pop a little card thing at the end of the end of my video, so you can just click that as well. So it's really nice to be back filming with you all again. I've had a lovely breakaway for a couple of days at the caravan with my husband and my mum and dad. So yeah, take care, and I'll see you all again very soon. Bye for now.